Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind power and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsicle!
Oh, googly bear!
Dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then he grabbed me with a giant whoop.
Oh, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
This way.
We have 2319 in progress.
Gun unit in position.
Run out and lock it down.
There's nothing down there.
We're looking for.
They're working nice. Yeah. I've been excited. Yeah, what happened?
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor. Racing to the scare floor. Just never find her door now.
Oh, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
We have responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area. We spread out the
Never saw a human child in Monstropolis. It never happened. What a huge lucky ass.